Okay, I'm working on framing one of my diamond paintings, and I looked into a lot of different methods, watched a lot of videos, and what I decided was to use these stretched canvases. I just ordered them from Walmart. They come in all different sizes. This one I've worked on, it's smaller, and basically I just get these cute little paints from the craft store, and I pick a color that complements my painting, and then I just keep putting layers on till, I don't know if you can see, but this one is still a little streaky, so that means it needs more paint. So that's all I do, is just paint them a solid color, and then I'll show you when I mount this one and a couple that I finished, so you can see how easy it is. And again, you know, I am a stroke survivor, so I try to do as much as I can with my left hand. The repetition of using that hand is amazing. This hand is very weak, very uncoordinated, but I'm seeing huge improvements since I've started working on this diamond painting. That's it. Again, here's the packaged stretch canvas. You can mount them on the white canvas. I like painting the canvas to a nice, pretty color that'll complement it.